In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. So you may want to deactivate your Facebook account if you just want to take off or to break off from social media and pull your account down so that no one can find you on Facebook, but you can again reactivate it later if you want to come back. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So let's get into it. To do this, it is quite simple. Just head over to your profile icon on top here and then tap on it to open the menu. Under the menu, tap on this settings icon that is on top here. And then you'll get to this page called Meta Account Center. Go ahead and tap on it. Under this, go under account settings and look for the option called personal details. If you tap on this, you'll be able to see your personal details here. And below it, you can see we have this option called account ownership and control. This helps you to manage and control your accounts and profiles. So go ahead and tap on it. Now under account ownership and control, you can see we have this last option called deactivation and deletion. And we are told under this, we can temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts. So if we tap on it, go ahead and choose the account that you want to deactivate. For my case, I want to deactivate this first account. And now this will give us two options. The first option is to deactivate account, and the second option is to delete account. Now, since we don't want to delete the account, because if we delete the account, we can't recover the account, we only want to deactivate the account so that should you want to activate it again, you can simply activate it again and log into your profile and you'll find everything intact. So we are told here that deactivating account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. However, we are told you'll be able to continue using Messenger. So if you're okay with this, go ahead and tap on continue. And you can read more information here. Deactivating your account will also deactivate your other additional Facebook profiles, as well as pages where you are the only admin or person with full control. To keep your page active, assign another admin or give someone else full control in your page setting. So you can complete that if you have other pages and admin issues. And as you can see, I have here a page. That's why I'm also getting that information to notify me the same. Because I have this page will also be deactivated because it is associated with this account. So I'm okay with it. So I'll go ahead and tap on continue. And now you have to enter your password and then tap on continue. And then here you have to choose a reason. And my reason is just this is temporary, I'll be back. So you can choose any of these. If your account was hacked, you can also select this. This information will be very much helpful to Facebook. So mine is temporary, so I'll go ahead and tap on continue. And now I can go ahead and select the number of days. Now for my case, I don't want to choose the days I'll be off. I want to do it manually. So I'll go ahead and choose the last option, don't reactivate automatically. So I'll go ahead and tap on this so that I only reactivate it whenever I want. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on done and then tap on continue. So this is the last process. You have to confirm the temporary account deactivation. So I'll tap on deactivate my account and this will go ahead and deactivate the account. And now that is done, I'm logged out, meaning I have been deactivated. So that's how you deactivate your account on Facebook. Now, should you want to activate your account, I've left a link below showing a step-by-step process on how you can reactivate your Facebook account again. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.